Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how you can use switch case statement in Java through this simple program. Okay, we'll be doing it through this simple program as well as we will take the input from the user and then we will do the program. So right away let's start coding. You already know these two lines, no need to explain them. Okay, so for using switch case statement we must first have a variable. For simple program we are directly going to initialize it here, declare and initialize it right here, right, n equal to 7. Next, then you write switch, right, n. Okay, now we have used switch and we have put the variable inside the switch, right. Now you have to write statements, that is what are the different cases that you can have. Okay, let's say we will write case 1, system dot out dot print line entered entered number is simply type over invalid number, valid number, right. Okay, then we have to always do a break is necessary. Next one is case 2, system dot out dot print line invalid number, right. Okay, then we should put break. Okay, now write the number that n equal to 7 and type over system dot out dot print line valid number. Then it is okay, spelling is system. Okay, then the last statement is default, in which case the last statement is default. Type or anything, system dot out dot print line. Better luck next time. Right, simple. So this is very simple program. This is how you are going to use switch case. Now when the program starts executing, it will check the switch which contains the variable n, and it will check all the possible values of n which is given in the case statements, and it will execute that statement which is true. Now first it will go here, that is case 1. Actually it's not case 1, it is the number 1. Okay, suppose if we have characters, then we are going to put it into a single quotes, right. Now right now I have taken number 1, so integers are not taken within single quotes or double quotes. So in case and the number 1, it will print that is invalid number, because the value of n here is, that is we have initialized it at 7. That will check for the number 2 one. Okay, the number 2 is given here in the case 2, number 2 is given, right. So it is invalid number. Next is when it will come to the third part, that is case 7, where then the switch, the n value inside the switch will become to the case value, right. So it will print the number, that is it is valid number, right. Okay, so let's execute this program. Simply click on OK. Now you can see the output right here, that it is giving valid number, right, because n has the value 7, and whatever we are going to print it inside the n, inside the n, right, n, it will check, right, 7, and it will print the valid number. Okay, so this was the easy one. Let's take input from the user and check it whether the case is switch case is working or not. So for taking the input, we should first import the scanner class. You can also write java.util.star, right? Okay, then we will remove this 7. Instead of that, we are going to write scanner as new scanner system.in, and type over a line system.out.println system. uh, enter the number, right? Okay, then for taking integer it is very simple. Type over object dot next int. So in Eclipse it is very simple. Actually it is very simple to type because it already starts giving the options that you can directly select. Now what happens in this program, right? uh, Whenever you execute, it's going to give like enter the number first. It will come here, it will check, and it will give like enter the number. Here next is going to take the input from the user. This is the line. S is the object name whichever you are going to the giving to the class scanner, right? So object name. So s dot next int. So it will take from here. Then it will check the number here. Suppose you entered 4, so it will start checking from here, right? 1 2 7. If 4 is not there, then it is going to print a default. Better luck next time. Suppose now if 7 is there, it's going to print that it is valid number. If 2 is there, if we enter 2 from the keyboard, it's going to that invalid number. And for 1 also we have typed invalid, so it's going to give invalid number. Okay, so let's check out some other number other than these three, 1 2 and 7. Okay, I'm going to execute this program. Okay, now you can see here it is asking for enter the number, right? Now I'm going to enter 4. Okay, I will take this screen a bit down so that you can see the program as well, right? Enter 4. So according to you, which statement should it print? It should print the default one, right? Because there is no case with the number 4. So better luck next time, right? So now you understood how it is going. Okay, let's run it one more time and see whether it is giving other cases as well or not. Okay, let's type over 7, valid number. So whenever we typed 7, that is n, we are going to typing it here, right? We are typing at this stage. Now it's in the switch, it checks for n, which is 7. Now it is going to check in the cases at which case the number is 7. Now it founds here that number is 7, so it prints that it is a valid number, right? So this is how you are going to use switch case statement. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.